What's up, Maxi boy?
Morning. What's up,
What's up, Max? What's up, boys?
Come on.
DJ Cell. I like the DJ Cell.
Everyone's looking at GJ Cell, are they? Any reason the 4 hours doesn't have a top wick?
Rejected pretty hard.
Yeah, I saw 2 50-minute candles. Okay, so let's just get this so we can see what we're at straight away. So GJ, yeah, bearish right now, breaking past the previous daily, which is nice to see. See, look at the 4 hour time frame. 4 hours closed below, so looking very good to continue down. Can you see that 4 hour time frame? 1 second. This candle here closed below. Music's too loud. 1 second. Oh, it looks like it's gonna do it. Shit. Take a look at the hourly time frame. Hourly closed, but kind of rejected. Hourly didn't close below at 162,300. So actually that's okay. The 30-minute closed bullish as well, so looking like it's holding this level of support. You can see the level of support where it is. For me, it's gonna be 1 second. Yeah, so this level of support is still holding pretty nicely. Right here. So sells below 162,300. It's gonna be nice to continue down to 162,100. Very, very nice. I think that should be pretty good. 1 second. So yeah, closure below there, I think it's gonna be much nicer. But I'm gonna be a bit cautious of this because the 30-minute time frame has closed bullish. Can you see here? So, you know, I'm not rushing into anything over here because this could be just making the lower wick then flip back up. Hourly has no top wick, 4 hour has no top wick, so we'll see. I think sells are gonna happen potentially, but I'm just gonna have to wait a little bit. And there you go. Sells below 162,310. Beautiful. So we'll see. I mean, it looks like the hourly's broken the low of the previous, so it should continue down now. But I'm just gonna wait for my 15-minute closure. And yeah, should drive down to the next zone. If we break below here, then damn, we've got kind of a clean candle all the way back down. 161,447. So that would be pretty nice. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see for that. Very, very good. Let me just move this. So yeah, yesterday we took 3 trades, 2 break-evens on 1 win. The win was 17 pips, which was nice. Gold gonna melt. Yeah, let's take a look. We'll take a look. For me, it has to be the 30-minute as it appears H1 as well. 30-minute close below. 50-minute might be low time frame too. Yeah, I mean if the 50-minute closes below makes a top wick then flips, then I don't see why not. But look at this over here. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait for a little closure. A lot of volume in the GBP pairs. That's what I like to see. That is what I like to see. 1 second. That is what I like to see. Let me just see then. I'm gonna just check the network. I've updated my drivers, so hopefully we should be okay. Hopefully. Just checking the network. Yeah. Oh no, it is here. What the fuck is this? Service host network. Fucking end. Does anyone know what this is? Because it's taking a lot of my network and I don't know fucking why. Service host network service. What is this? And then I delete it and it comes back in 5 minutes, which kind of sucks. So using the most of the network by far. Collapse.
you reckon that could be like Telegram, maybe? Service host?
Yeah, but I thought the Telegram's there. No, so it's just a
See how
random.
it's not doing nothing Telegram?
Yeah,
But then that one seems to be doing a lot.
that's true.
It's doing a bit, but you know what I mean? It could be a background, like it says, a service, network service.
Yeah, but
Not sure.
I just do this and then it fucks off for a while.
It comes.
It comes back. But like I was playing FIFA yesterday and like the fucking like it was lagging until I deleted it, and then when I deleted it, it went back there. So yeah, I'm gonna have to see what that is.
Service host is something to do with like the actual background of Windows. So it's a legit thing that has to stay there. It's, I don't know. It's something to do with the way that it connects network stuff or something. I don't know.
Ah, shit. Someone said fucking porn.
Super technical explanation.
Service Host Network is a Windows process used to download updates on a lot of computers, but it should stop consuming the resources afterwards. Ah, okay. Well, we'll see. I've upgraded the drivers and stuff. Okay, so let's just take a look then at gold. So the daily time frame closed bullish, but very, very weak. So there's still the overall trend on gold is bearish. So all I'm looking for is sells, sells, sells. I don't take any buys when we're looking like this. I hope if you guys haven't in the mentorship looked at that goals rules, make sure to watch it. Really, really good. 30 minutes worth of that. It's very, very good. Talking about which setups we like on gold, why do they work nicely, what stops, what take profit should we take in different setups, all that kind of stuff. So daily 4-hour time frame coming down. Already made some resistance. Can you see another fake out again for like the 50th time? We see it on all time frames on gold. Price makes a low, retraces, breaks the previous high. Everyone's like buy, 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 and then resistance comes and should come back down to the previous lows. Max, who has won the giveaway? No one yet. I haven't done it, but I will soon. Okay, so the hourly is made resistance. Can you see over here? That's kind of nice. Tapping previous supports, made a little resistance, which is good. Okay. So, I mean, yeah, it's a bit choppy, I'm not gonna lie. See, look at the 30-minute. Yeah. There's a support there, 1860. There's a support there, 1858.2. Support there, 1853. That is the only issue you have. Yeah, you can see it pretty easily. So, I mean, if you can get an entry here, if this next candle closes, I mean, below it, it's just, yeah, it's hard. Because, look. Let's just draw the supports in. One there, one there, one there, one there. You see it, it's kind of like hard. I mean, yeah, it's not the best. However, I mean, the current one is right here. But for me, it's probably going to be a little bit easier getting in sells below here. But then it's hard there. God, yeah, gold's kind of hard. Gold's kind of hard, if I'm honest. I don't really like the zone it's in. So maybe below 1860 or maybe even below 1858. Yeah. What about 1850? Did you say 1857? Let's take a look. Yeah. Yeah. That looks pretty realistic. 1857. It's a little bit cleaner over there. See, look what that looks like on the 30-minute. Yeah. I think below here would be okay. 1858. So yeah. Very, very nice. So we'll wait for that. But at the moment, this zone is not really the nicest. This is kind of clean. It's kind of not clean. 1 hour looks much cleaner than the 15. Does it? I mean, does the 1 hour look that clean? No. It's got supported there. It's got supported there. It's not. I wouldn't say it's clean. It's still pretty messy. So yeah. Good morning. Good morning. So the 4 hour. Yeah. So yeah, sells below 1857. But at the moment, there's nothing much that I seem to like right now there. Okay, so sells below 1857 936. So let's take a look then. It looks like GJ's retraced all the way up, but you know, I used my my brain to go, you know what, yeah, it's breaking the lows, great, it may continue here. If it does, great, I'm happy for people taking that. But the hourly had no top wick, so the probability it makes a top wick there is probably 85% in the next hour. Also, the 4-hour time frame doesn't have a top wick either, so that's another 85% that's going to make a top wick. So there's a lot of things that were against me. Right, let me mute this thing 1 second. Mute. So yeah, I like the 1 hour sell. Didn't close below though, Malani. Okay, so let's go into AJ over here. AJ looking like it's breaking up a little bit, which is nice to see. Very, very nice to see. So, is my thing? Oh, there we go. Okay, so daily time frame closed bullish. Still didn't close above this resistance though, which kind of sucks. Hopefully today it can. That'd make it a little bit easier, I think. Okay, so 1 second. Beautiful.
Hey, Mac, one question.
What?
What's your zone for AJ for buy?
I'm just marking up right now, my man. So 4 hours, 4 hours bullish here.
I just get in. Sorry.
Yeah. Hourly time frame. Okay, so looking like it should. I mean, looking at the 4 hour, right? Looks like we potentially should continue up to 93,247, which is a big enough zone, which is nice. Taking a look at the hourly now, the 30-minute time frame and the 15. You start to see where our level of support, level of resistance is. It's up here. Okay, let's take a look on the 30-minute. How does that look? So yeah, the 30-minute support, sorry, the 30-minute resistance is a lot lower, right? It's like there. So I mean, if you wanted to get into a trade, I mean, if this 30-minute closes above 92,647.
That's my zone also, but I'm scared of April 28th. That price action kind
Of where?
April 28th. On the left. The price action.
Oh, that's fine. No, that's okay.
It's kind of, I know.
Yeah, I know what you mean actually. Looking like it's pushing up quite nicely here. Very, very nice. Let's take a look. Good morning everyone on YouTube. Welcome. Drop a like
on that zone.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking as well on the 15.
That's like 10 or 12 pips.
Yeah. Let me drop that up. Just like that, yeah. Yeah, that could be realistic. I mean, we do see that there's a little bit of volume at this time, so it could be okay. The hourly's breaking up. I mean, it's pushing very, very nicely, so I mean, I don't see why not this next candle closure. It's just this is a bit shitty now, isn't it? But yeah, it doesn't look too bad. We'll see. Oh shit, it's in a minute's time. Damn. Well, how big are the stops right now? Yeah, stops are 18 pips, so they're a bit beefy. But we'll see. 29 likes, guys. Make sure you like the stream. So, who's your inspiration, Raja or Uncle Ted? Both. Loads of people. But yeah, them two in trading for sure. Max check 30-minute on AJ. Yeah, 30-minute looks okay, so I might wait for the 30. Because the 30 just closes above there, then it's just a little bit easier. Even though if the 15 closed like right there and made low wick and then flipped, then I probably would. But now it's pushed here. It's literally pushing at the next to these resistances, which kind of sucks. So yeah, we'll have to see. We'll have to see. Let me just take a look over here. Yeah, we'll take a look. But I may just wait for the 30 to close. If I can't find a nice entry here. So yeah. So yeah, yesterday guys we took a GJ trade NY session just before it really started. Where the fuck was it? Oh yeah, here. So price is coming down, very, very bearish. We got a closure below 162711, and then we took a sell stop loss above to drive down to the next zone. And I closed pretty much there, right at this level, a day flip level. Well, I closed 80% at 13, and then the rest is 17, 16. So yeah. I should have my thing updated now. Pretty sure I did it yesterday. Let's take a look over here. So yeah, we hopefully this should be updated. There we go. So there we go. This one went 9 pips. This one went 9 pips. So it could have been 3 winners yesterday. It would have been nice, but hey ho, 1 winner's all good. All good, all good, all good. Okay, so 50-minute close bullish above, but as I say, I'm probably just gonna wait now for this 30 to close. I think I pushed too high up there. Yeah, looking like GJ is just making a little bit of support, but it makes it a lot easier later on because all we need to do is have a closure below here. So hopefully we can make this top wick and then get some bearish pressure. So hopefully we can go up another like 5 pips or so, and then we can get the drive down. So yeah. So we'll see in 30 minutes time. We should be good.
Sorry, Kingpin, you gotta go.
Don't like that in 1 hour. It's only about 9 pips on the left.
What is?
Some people. On the 1 hour chart, there is only 8-9 pips on the left, some kind of resistance. Below.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
That's why it is. Maybe it's nothing.
Yeah, well, I mean, also look, the 4 hours breaking, right? Look at the 4 hour. The 4 hours breaking the highs of the previous. So, yeah.
I want to buy also.
Yeah. 6 pips to pass phase 2. Nice, Connor. Good lad. Very, very nice. We'll see. FTMO said if you had an open trade during the server crash, they're going to give you compensation. Oh wow, there's an FTMO server crash. Oof. Did you analyze gold? Yeah, gold is a bit too choppy for me at the moment, so I'm just waiting for a little bit further down. That's where I'm looking for. Oh my god, Scott. The fucking messages. Pick me, pick me. Oh my god, I'm so close to 10k, man. 10k, boy. 10k. Alright, and yeah. Add someone over here to the group, and then we're gonna be good. But yeah, after this, guys, we're gonna do a simulation at 10 o'clock. A simulation session. We're probably gonna do gold. I might do gold in the last couple of months because there's been a lot of really good examples. What?
AJ is flying.
Wow. Did it make much of a low wick? Not really.
Yeah, the 15 was maybe impulsive, but
Yeah. Normally, if AJ breaks the highs, it seems to just push. We see that on the backtested sessions. Max, how's your dog? Oh, very good. You're mental, running around already. Mad. They're mental. Oh, thank you very much for subscribing. You started the account with 3K, right? The small account? No, 1.4. And it is out. It is now, I think, 3,700. Yeah.
You gain like 150%.
Yeah.
Nice.
And 2K of passing phase 2. Unfortunately, I missed the GJ yesterday. Otherwise, it would have nearly been done. Oh. Yeah, the GJ trade yesterday would have sorted you well out. So yeah, looking like gold's coming back in the zone. What?
Are you still using the social trading tools?
Yeah.
What's the delay between the accounts?
Oh, it's pretty quick. It's pretty good. Yeah, it's not. There's not much delay, which is what I thought. I was like, oh, what if the delay is like a bit shit? But nah, it's pretty good. Pretty instant. Someone says low volume. Yeah, low volume right now, but you know it is very, very early. Normally, really, but until 8 o'clock we get a lot of volume. But recently, in the past couple of weeks, there's been quite a lot of volume at 7 o'clock. But you know, if there isn't any today, then we're just chilling. Was your trade on GJ yesterday a 4 pip stop? Yeah, 4.5 pip stop.
Yeah, we got some news for USD.
Yeah, let's take a look.
Later.
Yeah.
Yeah, today we have ADP. Be
Oof.
careful with that shit.
Yeah, yeah. ADP at 1:15. That'll be interesting. I'll be staying well away from that. I'll be staying well away. GMA top wick on 4 hour. Has it made one now? Oh, it has. Get in. Okay, wicked. That's more of a, you know, more of a confirmation for me now. So if we do get a closure below here, 162,300, I'm gonna take some sells, boy. So yeah. Smash the like, yeah. Let's get up to 100 likes straight away, man. Easy work, easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. But yeah, I think sells below 162,300 is the only thing I can really see right now.
Or just wait 8 minutes to AJ.
You just what?
Just waiting 8 minutes for AJ. Maybe that.
Yeah, it's this 15 crap. I mean, you could just already push there. I don't know if I like it anymore. So yeah, we've got to wait.
Here comes JJ.
Oh yes.
Look good for a second.
Nah, it still looks good to be honest. Look at that hourly top wick as well.
Coming down.
Coming downtown. Downtown. Going downtown. Right, so yeah, under 300 is going to be nice. 162, 300. And then we're going to target 162, 100. And I mean, as I said, if we break below here, so let's just take a look, right? Yeah, man. So runners today could be quite an aggressive day, right? Why? Well, because if we're getting into sells here and we're breaking lows and we're getting our 10 pips there, look what we're doing. We're breaking past these lows. And once we break past these lows, we've got clean candles here in the 4 hour to at least 161 to 637. So, yeah, could be kind of nice if we do get that. So we'll have to see. Oh shit, sorry. Yeah, I take them off for doing the analysis yesterday. Have they all got them off? Oh yeah, okay. Let me sort this out.
Brian here? Yeah.
What?
Is Brian here?
Oh, yeah, I need I was looking last night, man, and so the past couple of days, I have put some money into a house. Finally bought a little house. And now I'm like, right, okay, I've got some bricks and mortar, I've got some monthly revenue, so now it's time to buy a good ass car. And I was looking last night, and I think I may wait a little while, but I may get something like this. Either a 360 or a 430, sorry. Look at this. Look at that. 60 grand for all that. Naturally aspirated. It'll always go up in value. It ain't gonna go any lower than fucking 50 grand.
What's that? 7 miles a gallon? Lovely.
Probably. Yeah.
Nice.
So shit.
You what?
No, Brian just wrote
What
that
did
the
he say?
fit of shit.
It's a piece of shit.
You gonna daily drive that?
No.
You only live once, mate.
I'm not gonna daily drive it. No.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, but
Garage things.
yeah, it'll be the weekend car, right?
Bentley, Mac, Bentley.
Bentley. Bentleys are too not slow. Bentleys are like boats.
Old man's car.
Yeah, Bentleys are like boats.
Bentley Continental. Convertible.
They're cheap, to be honest. They're actually pretty cheap, second-hand ones. But yeah, I looked at that. I mean, the 430.
Oh, gold. GJ just pushed up. It was looking like it was going to close bearish and just flipped solidly.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I still don't trust these buys, but we'll see. We'll see. Yeah, the 430s are pretty nice. So already the Scuderias and the Challenge Stradales they've already gone up in price, which kind of sucks. I missed the boat for that. That was a couple of years ago now. So that's like an updated version. It's like 70 grand. Thing is though, if you get one like this and you daily drive it, you keep it well, you ain't gonna lose any money on it. It's naturally aspirated. You can't get them anymore. They're pretty good. Oh, A50Is. Gorgeous. AUD USD 30-minute chart look like will break upwards if close above. Interesting. Oh, look at AUD JPY over here. It was having none of that. The car is just Pride. What? Nah, I think you're talking to the wrong person here about Pride. I don't buy cars to try and flex. I'm a fucking petrol head. I'm a car fanatic.
You should sit your ass in a Arialatum and then say that it is Pride.
Do you know what I've been in one of the funnest cars you can go in? A fucking Caterham.
Oh,
A Caterham. Oh my god. I was in it and the exhaust is right next to the passenger's fucking door. It's like Jesus
I had one.
Christ, man. My fucking arm was getting singed off by the fucking heat.
I had one for a short period of time. It was a kit car, right?
Yeah.
And they're very cheap in South Africa. You can get it for like 100 grand, so it's like 40,000 pounds.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
4,000 pounds. 4,000 pounds.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, that's what my dad's mate had, and it was so sick. It was like, it feels like it's going like 400 miles an hour.
It's basically a pumped up go-kart.
Yeah, it's a coffin. It's a coffin.
Yeah, it's scary. Supercars are generally rough on the spine though because the chassis and suspensions are too tight. Yeah, but I don't know. I I think I'd still be able to. I mean, to be honest with you, I'm in my little like fucking S19. I run that around quite a lot.
You know, RS6 max.
I've always looked at the Audis and I can't fall in love with it.
Really, they're such good cars.
I think they're good cars, but I just don't know why I would ever spend that money on an RS when I'd rather get someone else. You know what I mean? I don't know.
Yeah.
It's in that price bracket. I'm like, I could get something like an RS. I can get a DB9 for that. A fucking second-hand DB9.
Yeah, but then you're looking for the older gen car, like sports car.
Well, because they've depreciated, right? So like, they've already depreciated, so you're not losing any money on them.
Yeah, and you're gonna have it for a while and still make it break even.
Yeah, you can sell them in 3 years' time for the same price. Like, it costs you less money having that than a brand new fucking Toyota Yaris. Yeah, I'd love an M2 as well. I was talking to Control about that last night. They're 30 grand now. There's some that are 30 grand.
They're super plastic though. That's the only thing I don't like about the new Mercs and BMs. It's just
plastic as shit. Yeah. That M2 though has won so many awards. It's a good driver's car. You have no idea about cars, okay, mate? I have no idea about cars, but I've probably been to more car events. I've probably seen more cars than you'll ever see. And I'm 21. Yeah, I mean, looking like GJ's coming back up. Back into the zone. Interesting. Let's look at the 4 hour time frame. Yeah, this 4 hour still closed below, so I still don't trust this. If it breaks that high there, though, then yeah, fair enough. It's going to come back in the zone, which kind of sucks because it's coming into this shitty area. So I really, really hope it can turn around over here. Hopefully. GM drives a Beta Civic. Oh. Yeah. Do you trade gold? Yes. I was so salty about the trade yesterday I could have taken, for fuck's sake. It was a little bit risky because the hourly didn't look as nice as what I'd wanted, but still kind of a good opportunity. Cars are just commodities. I would never spend too much money on it. Well, yeah, but it depends. It depends, you know. It depends, you know, what you like. If you like going on lots of holidays, then fair enough. But for me, it's cars. I just want a nice car. I want to be able to go on the A1 and fucking rev the shit out of my Lambo. Every time I see one now, I'm still in awe. Like, oh, it's just the sound. You look like fucking Batman. It's so cool. It's badass as shit. But it is probably because my dad's been doing this since I was like 3, so I've fucking always been around it. So, hey Max, sorry I already asked, but didn't catch your answer. Do you usually wait for closure below trading, or do you do impulse entries too? Mainly closures, man. Yeah, barely any impulses. Hop on Daniel Savage live stream. He's long on GG and the stops are bigger than my pantry. Oh my god. Let's take a look. Looking like they'll probably be working out nearly. Has he got a big ass stop? He never shows his win rate. He never shows his trades taken. I've never seen it anyway. So I have no idea how profitable this guy is. He seems to take a lot of L's. But you know, he's just got a good following. Oh shit, how big are his stops? Because he's aiming for a 30 pip TP1, so I'm assuming his stop's probably 30 pips. Ooh.
Just get back. Who is that, Max?
What?
I just get back. Who is that?
Daniel Savage.
Oh.
He's such a tool.
He's friends with your mate Milan.
Yeah.
Say what?
He's friends with your mate Milan.
I didn't hear that. So.
Mate, they all live in Miami, man. That lifestyle over there, I could not hack that shit. Oh my god, I saw Miami's fucking. I thought they. My dad told me that they've built a marina, but I thought they actually built one like with water. It's fucking fake. What the fuck is that?
I saw that.
What the fuck is that? That's horrendous. Why the fuck? Because apparently they weren't allowed to do it in the actual one fake. Fake marina. Like, what the fuck is this? They've got boats. They've put the boats on them, and it's just a fucking piece of concrete. Ah, that looks like shit. It's not even big. There's like 4 boats there. What the fuck? That's ridiculous.
I'm surprised Daniel Savage hasn't worked out a big yacht yet. You know what I mean?
Hasn't what?
Bought a yacht yet, like a big yacht, like Instagram. You know what I mean?
They're
It's always cars. It's always cars.
Yeah. Spends his money at the strippers, man. All his dollar comes from his Signal group. Yeah, he's just got a big following, man. He has like what, 3,000 people on at some points. 3,000? Probably like 2,000 now, but that's 20 grand a month. No, sorry, it's not 20 grand a month. It's 200 grand a month.
3,000 fucking sheep.
Yeah, pretty much.
Does he charge 100 a month? Fucking hell.
Yeah.
You that good?
If I
yeah, the line go join him in there.
Yeah, you go join him. If I had an opinion, I probably think Dr. Dollar's better, to be honest with you. He's got a similar win rate to me, so I mean, yeah.
I saw some vlog of Dr. Dollar on YouTube. The lifestyle, man, he is just a kid.
He's older than me.
Yeah, but he acts like a teenager.
I know, but that's the Miami thing, bro. That's the Miami. They're all like just flexing and shit. That's their little thing.
Don't worry, Max is getting his Ferrari soon. The English version.
Yeah, but I do it. You know, financially stably. I don't just finance one and just fucking spunk four grand every month.
You're a way better trader than Dr. Dollar, Max.
Ah, shit. Wow, I'm not gonna get into beef on YouTube, but thanks, man.
Oh, you are. Trust me.
I'm alive.
Might have people
Yeah,
still
Max,
be
I try
that guy.
lots of groups, but the only group I stay is with you.
Ah, exactly, Milan. Even though you slag me off half the time. Get the fuck. How many groups have you tried, Milan?
A lot. Maybe every day.
Every day. Love you, man.
And you've only stayed with me.
Yeah.
Fake out an AJ.
Yeah, how many? Because you don't know Daniel Savage, you don't know Lambo Raul.
Yeah. How many people have you done, Milan? Do you think?
I don't know, maybe 15.
15.
Oh,
15.
Fucking hell.
Yeah.
I mean, how was you
know these guys?
Oh, did you remember the Holy Prophets?
Oh yeah, Holy Prophet. Yeah, I remember that.
I did everybody. So I know.
Did Holy Prophet as well?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
I was like about 2 months with him.
Holy Prophet.
You know he's going to be good when it's Holy Prophet. That's Jesus' money.
I know Daniel Savage, I think from 2 years before he has that 435i BMW.
Ah, yeah. We had that.
Yeah, I remember him. He was very happy when he withdrew and buy his first TV.
Just don't like the character of the.
Yeah, but we've also just seen Max buy his first TV.
Yeah.
I like your mindset, so I stay with you.
Trader Rariel is a good opportunity. They're having an FX summit with all influencers and not traders. Oh yeah, they are. It's an FX summit, isn't it? I don't know why this happens, but Raja takes 2 or 3 huge trades and afterwards takes shit and risky trades in the stream. Yeah. Seems to work out for him. So yeah, nothing much I can see yet. I still think GJ is struggling to, you know, continue up, but you know, that's what you expect. It's so bearish. Yeah. So I'm just patiently waiting for the sells. Sasha is going to the summit. Another 40 NFTs. Oh, I see that the crypto is all fucking pushed down. Cryptos all came down over here. Yeah, I looked at XRP. I was like, oh my god, I'm glad I sold now. No breakouts, no trades. Yeah, exactly. There's nothing yet. You know, there's nothing. But am I annoyed? Do I want to jump into a trade? No. I'll just sit here and wait until it happens. I still have a feeling that at 8 o'clock we're gonna get some nice bearish closures down here, or maybe 8:15. Because this 4 hour is closed below, so yeah. Should make mentorship an NFT. How can you even do that? Like, yeah, I give like lifetime members an NFT. When's the giveaway? Yeah, later on. Yeah, and you have to wear your stop loss matters hoodie every stream. Do you trade today before or after news? There's no news this morning. 9:30, so it'll be before. After 9:30, I don't trade GJ because it runs like ass. Just guys be dudes. Oh, I need to ask my boys if we can play Valheim tonight, man. I fucking missed that game already. Valheim. What are the prizes? Oh, it's just a Magic Keys giveaway. Magic Keys for people that don't have it. What happened yesterday, Brian, with Naz? I saw someone took a nice trade.
Yeah, two guys grabbed it, but it's just the fake out rejection where it just pulled too low.
Yeah.
And then it flipped and stopped up. So there was nothing. I looked last night the whole time that quick. There's nothing that I could find that
yeah.
You know what I mean?
Exactly.
Like I said to the session, this fake out area, it's been 2 weeks of fake outs.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
You just gotta wait for it again.
Correct. I mean, change of structure. It must just go. We'll do a breakdown every day, but if I see a fake out, that's it.
Yeah.
It needs to change. It needs to run away. It's still in that area. But for like the last week, it's been in that area.
Been there a while. Where are you from, Stop Us? I'm from UK, Newcastle. Newcastle. 1 second. We are live now on YouTube. Come join the fun. I'll see you guys there. Let's take a look who else is streaming today. Oh, we got Champion Pips. Oh, he streamed 12 minutes ago. A bit later today.
You see my t-shirt?
What t-shirt? Oh, yeah, 1 second. Let's take a look.
GT Manu.
Oh, we got the United helper. Nice. Oh my god, you see the game last night? The fucking Liverpool game.
So good.
Oh, I wanted Liverpool to win to lose so fucking badly, man. You can tell they were getting their fucking asses fisted in the fucking half time by fucking Klopp. He's like, you better get there and fucking work your ass off.
You can tell because after the game they barely celebrated. They just walked off like, oh, it's done. It's
yeah,
done.
thank fuck. Like they're shitting themselves. You can tell they literally just got. Because Klopp's a scary man. Like he's a big fucking German. Like he's gonna be absolutely screaming at them in the fucking changing rooms.
Great coach.
What have you got to say? Like, yeah, exactly, man. And this apparently for United, this fucking Ten Hag is another quiet one. You can't have a quiet manager, man. I just for a top club like that, you need someone who's fucking shouting at them. You know, they praise them when they do well, but you know, you have to be scared. Do you think Ralph Ragnick's scary? I fucking don't. This Ten Hag apparently is really quiet. You need a manager that can screen, like, you know, proper put them into place. You need a Pep. Pep last week, Mahrez missed a pretty blatant goal. He absolutely fucking was furious. He's, you know, you gotta have a bit of, yeah, you gotta kick him, especially that United side. Fucking hell, need a right booting. I think that Ten Hag is gonna be another flop again.
Flop is great.
Huh?
He had a nice pep talk in the halftime, for sure.
Yeah, exactly.
For sure.
We need another.
If a manager had the chance to say, okay, you did a very bad game, I'll deduct X percentage of your salary this month. I would say every single player would play at their top.
Yeah, but then the agents wouldn't sign them for the club.
Yeah, I know. It's not they are not able to do such a huge difference. But if they were able to mess with people's salary, you made a terrible game. You're catching butterflies instead of playing the game. No salary for you today. Oh, they would run after their money because they make rivers of money. So it's not. They shouldn't have a bad game. They shouldn't. They shouldn't. With the amount of money they make, they shouldn't.
Yeah. They're getting paid they're getting paid too much, and all their contracts are like they're a top 2 team in the Premier League, and they're not. So it's like, you know, something's got to change over here. But the thing is that they will just sign some players that, you know, because why would they come to United? Like, what's the actual, you know, it's the same as like Newcastle now. I'd rather go fucking Newcastle than I would Manchester United right now. They've got a good team going. They've got, you know, good financial backing. The owners aren't twat. I'd rather go to Newcastle than I would United. So they're gonna have to pay fucking large amounts of money, and then it's like, well, now they've just got a new contract of $300,000 a week, and you know, they're chilling. It's too much money in the game for that. You only get paid the absolute maximum if you are the best, you know, in the world. There's no point in fucking Harry Maguire getting paid fucking.
That's not game anymore. That's business. Do Everton Chelsea?
Yeah.
That was fixed game. Impossible.
Oh, breaking into the previous lows. Anyone trying to get in early? I didn't know the stop here was actually 10 pips. Kind of nice, but I'm just gonna wait for the hourly. But people who are being a bit more aggressive.
Champion pips won it.
Champion pips. So what is Daniel Savage gonna do now then? Let's just take a look. Is he gonna risk manage? What's he gonna do?
I bet he will lower his stops a little bit, and he will go to the closet, get the AK, sit in front of the TV screen, and say, "Now you pump up, you bitch!
Yeah. He loves the counter trend trades, man, and I don't know why. Because it's just, he gets slapped like 3 times, and he gets that one trade that like reverses like 20-30 pips, and he makes some of it back. But it's like, bro, just keep with the trend, you know. There's nothing about this that's bullish.
I've been in the signals for a month, and could as well go to the store and buy 3 bottles of vodka with the same money and get knackered.
Really?
And I would
Daniels?
have more. Yeah, I would have more. Just because of that reason, he takes a trade, he loses it, and he takes another trade, he loses it, and he takes another trade, and that went good.
Yeah.
And he made the total profit of 5 pips.
Yeah.
And he has 20 to 30 pips in stop loss.
So why does everyone still subscribe to him then? I don't get it. Because if I did that,
because of the flashy live he posts on Instagram, big cars, nice cars, nice
It's that
environments.
it's that ego mentality as well. If you're like alpha ego, like people tend to, it's involving money as well.
So I need to do that more. I
murdered.
need to get like my fucking AK-47s behind me and
I
go,
was
go on,
just gonna
bitch!
say, we're so tired of seeing other people's cars. Yeah.
That's what people want though, man. Fuck, I need to go get my dad's fucking mates, all the billionaires, and ring them up. Hi, bro. Can you just bring down your fucking Bugatti for us for a second?
Line up all the cars. Just line up all.
Thing is, I just can't do it. I mean, thing is though, like, I just can't do it. I didn't think the moral compass for me is just not there. I'd rather be a little bit less rich and have people who are following me for proper reasons instead of that shit. I just can't do it. But I mean, I think Daniel had quite a hard upbringing, and he's got pretty much nothing else. So he has to.
Yeah, there's a story. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Whereas I've got doors still open. So I'm.
Story, but you did fucking credit card scams, so fucking
yeah.
prick.
Yeah, we've all done bad stuff in our life, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, a bit of packing on the weekends is not going to affect anyone, but fucking credit card,
yeah. Just flash that new TV. Oh, I watched all the what ifs, by the way. Whoever told me, they're fucking sick, man. I'm glad I watched them. I sat there with my ADHD. I turned my phone off and I focused. It's great. So yeah, looking like it's coming down, breaking the lows. Would you have got 10 pips there? No. But yeah, below 310 is gonna be, really, really nice. If it happens, it's good. If it doesn't, then it's also good. It's easy to fool people with material things. I know, but I don't get that. When I started trading, really, I mean, only when I was really young, then maybe, but the more flashy stuff I saw, the more, the less confidence I gave with you. That's why I saw Raja, and Raja was like kind of chilling, and so was Ted, and Ted never, Ted never.
It's Max. You gotta look at it like, if you look at, like, you're speaking about Raja, and you're speaking about Ted, you're speaking about Savage, and you're speaking about Lambo Rule. They got thousands and thousands of followers. Put 1,000 followers in your channel and 2 million on your Instagram. It changes things. People just levitate towards the amount of people that are following you. You know what I mean?
It's true. That is true. Yeah, I'll tell you what though, considering Daniel Savage has all them fucking followers, he only has double the views of me right now. That's not bad. Oh, that's not bad. Not bad at all. Yeah, chart's looking pretty shit at the moment, but it's only 7:52, so we've got a lot of time for it to sort itself out. So yeah, 73 likes. Make sure to like the stream, guys. Fuck Daniel. Newcastle have the best fans. We had 22,000 fans attend for a 4th tier women's game of the weekend. Oh, nice. Mo, are you from Newcastle? Oh my god, it's coming back up.
Yeah, CP lost it.
Did he? Oh.
Yeah, right now.
Right on stream. Oh shit.
I think AJ is going to be above. If the London momentum is good.
That came out of nowhere. Look at that. Yeah, majority born and raised. Nice. Whereabouts you live?
Yeah, but when you
sorry, Scotty,
look at that 30 just there, like it looks, and like the hourly now is still printing upwards. When you look at the 30-minute chart there, like it still looks pretty clean to be printing up, and that's why I guess this was just doing a low wick on the 30.
Yeah, well that's why I waited in it. So sometimes with them 15 minutes, you gotta be careful. So if it comes back into this zone, I just look at the lower time frames. Wow, that came out of nowhere. Yeah, this this zone here is ass. Very, very shit.
Yeah, I think we should wait AJ for London Open.
Yeah, it's still below that level. 3-minute close bearish. Yeah.
No, but nothing else.
Yeah, there's nothing. There's nothing at the moment. I saw Control FX stream. He put like 20-30 pips stop loss and grab 10 pips. Makes sense. Yep, still profitable if he's got a high win rate. It's only if you've got a a lower win rate then that's an
It
issue.
doesn't make sense. I told you before, Mac. It doesn't make sense.
It does. If he takes one
How
loss.
come it does?
If he takes
One loss doesn't make 3 profit.
No, but if he takes 30 trades in the month and he has 2 losses and 28 wins, and then if he takes 10 pips, then it's fine.
Yeah, but like 60% profitable, that's mind fucking.
See, Daniel Savage knows what he's doing. Yeah, to be honest, the only thing that I think with the controller is I don't know why he puts 50% at 10 pips. I'd put like maybe 80. But, each to their own. It clearly works for him, so why not? Just if you guys don't like it, don't do it. If you want to do anything else, then go for that as well. Any news today? Yeah, there's a lot of news later on. Oh yes. Last month, how much percentage you make, bro? 39%. Oh my god, I got a TikTok comment yesterday. Let's take a look. TikTok is so toxic. Holy shit. Let's take a look over here. Happy Star Wars Day, people. Oh shit, it is. I might watch a bit of Star Wars tonight then.
Hey, Max, is that your biggest profit? Or the biggest month?
Nah.
Best month so far?
So far in the mentorship, probably. But not like, not overall.
As I am here, I think it is.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I think so.
I was 23 members. 23rd member.
You were the 23rd member? Nice.
Yeah.
Shout out Luco. Luco was the first member.
Is he here?
He's not here today, but he's definitely here. He should have just bought Lifetime, man. Now he's paying like £50 every single fucking thing. If you're here a long time, just buy the fucking Lifetime. It saves you a shitload of money.
Happens when you get to a year, Max.
What?
Happens when you get to a year.
I don't know. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. No, yeah. So some guy went. Nobody will outperform the market over time. It's a scientific fact. It's a scientific fact.
I love that science. That's some good science right there.
Yeah. He goes, it literally is. I recommend you to read the effective market theory, which has been given a Nobel Prize. Nobody can beat the market. Nobody can beat the market. Daniel Savage just said he's lost his Instagram. He got banned. What? He lost his one that he just tried to get again? No. Oh my god, he did as well. Again, Jesus Christ, some people don't like him. See, this is the thing. If you like this, if you get some enemies against you like that, they'll go for you, and they keep on fucking the Savage's like Instagrams up. Whereas like I'm just like a little fucking nerd who like trades live, and they don't really do anything else. So people nerd. I'm a fucking nerd. So 8 o'clock. I don't like it, man. It's every time I look at it, it takes me time to go, where would I get in? But like, well, it's gonna be above this resistance, right? And then you're like, well, this is here, this is 8 pips away maybe, or I could just wait until you get a closure above there. Gold buys.
That's the best.
Yeah, Stefan.
I think that's the best because that wick reached a little bit lower than the resistance now you draw.
Yeah.
No, the right wick.
Oh, yeah.
So we should definitely wait closure above that wick, which is the zone you drew.
Yeah. Was it 39% for April, both live stream and mentorship trades? Yeah. I think it's split out pretty evenly with NY and London last month. London last month was very, very good as a whole. Sometimes it's a bit shit, but you just wait here. Would you look for gold buys? Gold buy. Everyone's talking about gold buys. Come on, guys. if you're in the mentorship and you saw the gold rules last night, you'd realize why I don't want gold buys. Yeah, make sure people today watch this video.
1 second.
Going through Goldie. So no, I'm not going through gold right now. I'd want to look for gold buys. I mean, over here, 1874. I still think it's very, very bearish. Look at the trend as a whole. One little daily bullish candle does not mean we're changing complete structure. It's still very bearish. So I only take sells on gold with the trend. So yeah, it might be able to come up nice. I mean, it's closed right at resistance, but I mean, it could continue. But for me, I'm waiting for sells later on. Oh yeah. So the hourly's closed bullish. Nice. Look at the 4 hour. Yeah, it's just the zone going in. So if you took a buy here right now, the zone that you're coming into here is pretty choppy, right? It's not nice. So when it breaks that 4 hour high, then I can start to look for buys back in this area. But right now, I still have a feeling we're gonna cause some resistance. Let me just check my task manager again. 1 second, just in case everything's okay. Yeah, it's this thing that just drains the fucking network. Service host. When's it gonna finish? It's fucking annoying as shit. We'll see. Okay, I'm watching for the first time. Oh, welcome. Make sure you subscribe if you're new here. We're here every single day. 2 break evens, even though they both basically hit TP, which kind of sucks already from yesterday. But yeah. Can't wait for Champions League game. Should be a banger. Yeah. I think City can really do it, but they just need to stop letting in some stupid goals. You could tell, and they need to just finish. There's so many opportunities where they could have just fucking put the game in the coffin, and they just didn't do it. Something off topic. Do you think Ronaldo will stay next season? Yeah, I think he will. Kind of like hinted to it yesterday. Is that my fucking computer making that noise? Oh, no, it's not one. 304 viewers, amazing stuff. Can't wait for dollar interest today at 7 PM. Yeah, man, that's gonna be interesting. That's gonna be interesting. So flipping the daily time frame, which is nice. Got like a lot of rejection wicks here as well. I start to see now. As I say, this last daily closing so weak, bullish. It kind of confuses me, especially with this zone as well, just being a bit shitty. So
I've sent you a message. Check that link after the stream.
Ah, thank you. Thank you. Oh wow, look at GJ blasting off. Very nice. Ronaldo's going to PSG to play with Neymar and Messi. Ah, that'd be a boring ass team to play with. Bro, that's come on, that's a silly question. I need 9% to pass my challenge in 7 days. Can I do it with your entry? Well, if I could read the mind and read how much I'm gonna make in the next 7 days, I would tell you. But unfortunately, I don't have that skill. I'm not Doctor Strange.
I thought you were about to say I'm not Dr. Dollar.
Alright. Oh, fuck hell. 4 hour broke the previous highs. Did it make a nice little lower wick there? A very small one. 6 pip. 6 pipperoonies. JPY will go down all day.
I don't know if I'm buys on gold. I'm not sells right now.
Oh yeah, right now. But I hate
taking them. Yeah, I know. Just look on the 4 hour. If you zoom, if you zoom left, right, and then pull it down a bit more. As in up. Sorry. So you can see the highs.
Like that.
You've had this really key level. I don't know whether this is the pullback and then the continuation.
Yeah. I mean, if it breaks above, can you see here, 1878? That's when I'm gonna be like, this is changing, because we're breaking above the resistance, we're coming above the support, and we should be blasting off. So yeah, for sure. And look, and this is the first. You can see here, this is the first time in a while that we've actually made. 1 second. A higher low. Sorry. Which is nice to see. So yeah, maybe buys later on. Over here. How would you get in right now though? That's the thing. Yeah, the price action is garbage. It's pretty shit overall across the whole board, to be honest with you. It's a little bit shitty. I think interest rates will send gold flying today. Yep, that's true. That's probably why it's pushing up a little bit today. It's getting ready for it. It's getting ready. Let's take a look. People asking these questions during funded account challenges. What are you gonna do when you actually trade the funded account? Yeah. We'll see. We'll see. Oh, I love a nice little Wednesday trade, but it's looking like it's hard. Look at AJ over here again, rejecting. Let's take a look at what the hourly's doing now. Yeah, hourly didn't close above. So very scary on there. On AJ. AJ. Got 10 pips on gold. Nice. So how did you use your stops? Take a look at how stops would it be. Oof. Yeah, maybe on that low wick breaking the highs. A bit aggressive, but it looks like it would have worked out. But yeah, for me, I mean, nothing I can really see over here. Looking like GJ did make some nice little bullish zones over here, but I mean, look how choppy this 15 was there. It's just nasty. Where did you get in? Shit. You get in there as well? Oh yeah. So beautiful, 29 pips, right at resistance. If it continues bullish above 1870, that could be kind of nice to fill this zone over here. 1876, and then 1876 above there is where you get the proper buy. So looking like good volumes coming in, which is nice.
Is your zone not like this? I've just sent it.
What time frame is this on? 15 minute? Yeah.
15.
I think I have that, did I? Yeah. I mean there, but then also this is crappy here, I suppose. That's kind of why I moved it up a little bit higher. Above there would be nice at 1871. But yeah, I mean 1869 as well. It had no top wick though. What had no top wick? Oh, there in gold. Yeah, exactly. Looking like I had a strong momentum, but yeah. Good point.
It's tricky. It was start of the hourly and the stops were tiny and the previous candle was huge, so you don't know if those stops are going to get held or not.
Yeah, exactly. Look how big the stop was. Oh, 6 pips stop on gold? Hell no. Was this a good trade technically? Close above the range, buy at flip of gold, or was it gambling? For me, it was kind of impulsive. It was, it was breaking the highs. It was a strong candle, a lot of things there. But for me, it just wasn't the best. It was also actually breaking the 4-hour previous highs. That's pretty good, but I would say it was more impulsive. Yeah. GJ, what are you doing? Get the fuck away. Okay, broken the 4-hour highs. Retesting the previous support levels as well, but as I say, this zone is just shitty ass zone. Shitty ass zone. Wow, look at gold. Hope you guys took some pips over here. It's retraced a little bit. Looks like it's retraced quite a lot. I really don't want GJ to go any higher up. I don't want it to come back in that zone. It's so shitty, this zone. Can we spam W on Daniel Savage's stream? Well, he hasn't taken profit yet because his stops are so big, so not yet. But when he takes profit, then sure thing. Which is, I think, where is it? 7:20. So pretty soon over there. Hey Max, sometimes a flip doesn't break resistance to support levels on a lower time frame. How do we decide if flip or breaking levels are more significant? Flips are when the stop losses on the break of the previous highs or lows are too big. That's pretty much the only thing. I'd rather get in on the break of the highs because it's breaking, you know, highs. It's a more confirmation it's going to continue. If it doesn't do that, if it can't do that in like 10 to 12 pips, if it's like a 15-16 pip stop, then I'll just use the flip because the flip's still good. But yeah, breaking the highs is a little bit better. Or get on the flip if the zone maybe that you're coming into isn't as big if you get on the top wick. So yeah. So yeah. How much percentage you made last month? 39%. 50 minutes break in the low of the previous. Yeah, AJ's coming back into that area. Kind of sucks. There's interest news in GBP tomorrow. Probably why we're ranging. Yeah, this week is aggressive. Always check the news this week, guys, because it is there's a lot of news. Don't get caught out. Don't get caught out. Does Ted have Instagram? Yeah, it's silent in the charts. Okay, breaking the high. The previous 5 minute now should continue. Potentially. When are you gonna make the journal for us, like Don? I've literally got it. I just can't fucking give you it. I don't know how. I literally press share and it doesn't work. Oh no, it does work. 165 people. Or is that the?
That might be just for us because we're in the G drive.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I don't know. Well, someone tell me how I can
get it off his
like...
website or something.
Yeah.
I think it's literally on his Instagram or website or something.
Yeah. Go on, Don. I think they want my journal to look at. It's kind of just like.
Sorry, yeah.
Support and resistance does not work. Go and study ICT. What the fuck? There's some gulag people in
and
here.
And SMC.
Support and resistance does not work. Okay. I'll take that in mind.
It's taken us a month. It's taken us a month to figure out turtle soup. So imagine the whole thing.
Yeah. Oh, it's such a shame that the fucking zone is so garbage here. It's moving nicely, but the zone is just shit. What the frick is ICT? It's fucking GCSE ICT, man. Let's take a look at AJ then. 4 hours flip bearish. 4 hours flip bearish, 30-minute bearish, 15-minute bearish. But as I say, it's coming back into this crappy area that I don't want to take trades in, so I gotta hold my nuts, I gotta hold my bullets, and I just wait. Inner circle trader. Oh my god. Fucking hell. These fucking people, man. Jesus Christ. Where do these people come from in the world? Like, I just don't get it. Like, just like the pure retards. Like, where do they come from?
Clearly, he ain't making money himself, so he has to slag other people.
Yeah. Support and resistance doesn't work. Sorry, fucking.
To show you his account, see how much he's made then.
Yeah. Taking
It's
ABC.
also probably it's probably why support or resistance is like in every trading book.
Yeah.
Doesn't work, but if
Basically-
you want to study trading, it's in every single book. They start with it.
It's
it
basically
doesn't work, so.
what happened is he's done a support and resistance trade today. He's lost it, and now he says it doesn't work.
Yeah.
Hi guys, long time. Oh, hello, Ming, my boy. Long time no see. You mentioned that your parents helped you out when you busted your first account. How did you change your approach and mindset towards trading after that? By not doing it again. I think that was enough kick in the ass to go, shit, I need to fucking stop doing this stupid thing. And also when I was younger, at that time, my dad had after that, because my dad didn't trust me, he had my bank account, so you could see every money going out and in. So I couldn't really, to be honest, even if I didn't. So yeah. Did you lose that much money to pay back your parents? Oh yeah, man. I lost a shitload of money. All of the money that I ever made since the age of like 12 or 13, and you know, stuff that I didn't even have. So yeah. What two break-even trades did you call buys or sells? I took a gold sell yesterday, it was break-even, and an AJ buy yesterday. So yeah, looking like GJ is chilling. Hasn't came above 162,687. There's no way you lost 10k. I did. Hey mate, how long have you been trading, mate? I've been trading since the age of 17.
400 years now.
Wait, what? 400 years? Yeah. I'm master. 400. I wish I only lost 10k. So yeah, we'll see. I still have a feeling this GJ's gonna come down. I have a feeling. We've still got, you know, an hour left. Still got, you know, how many 50-minute candles? You know, we've got a lot of time. Go on YouTube and search ICT, and you'll learn a lot. Okay, let's go check this out then.
He's legit. He's legit.
Take a look. The inner circle trader.
Towards to sell stops below those relative equal lows, and there's usually some kind of a retracement higher when it's bearish, or lower price that's below here. There's sell stops resting below that. So as it retraces back up into this up close candle, what is this up close candle? It's a bearish order block.
It's a bearish order block.
Work with the trading view.
Wow, he's got
The orange block that is just highlighted hit resistance.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I was thinking. So all I can see in this chart that he's talking about, and that he's actually pointing, is that's resistance, which he calls an order block. That's resistance, which he calls an order block. That's support. That's support. That's support. So
it's same concept, just different names.
Pretty much, yeah. Pretty much. ICT is what you want to learn if you want to overcomplicate everything. Yeah, and use like nice fancy words to make you feel better. No, he's not legit. That's Mr. Order Block. So on YouTube went be prepared to be bored off your face for 4 hours of that fucking thing. Yeah, it did look kind of boring. Come on, GJ, get down, bitch. I tried the smart money concept and just kept losing money. That doesn't work for me, and you have to wait incredibly long till you have a good setup. Yeah. Dumb money concepts only. I can see that this is good as Max is becoming more popular, so there's more gulag coming in. Only recently though, only in the past like week I'd say. Coming a good opportunity in the next hour, we'll have to see. I mean, maybe the next hour. I want it to reject, I want it to come back down over here. Cells below here are gonna be looking tasty. So let's just take a look then. So has Daniel put break even yet? Has he, I know he hasn't closed anything. Oof. See, like if I was him right now, why has he got it at break even? Oh no. If I was him now, I'd have that at break even. If that's coming back below 428, you're coming back below here. Like, do you really want to hold that trade on when you're coming back below? I think he's put that bitch to break even, man.
Doesn't take break even.
He doesn't take break evens, does he not?
Well, in the month I watched him, he did not put his stop to break even. It goes to TP or it goes to stop loss.
GJ thought I would close bearish for the first time in a long time though. That it would drop. Thought that it would drop. Yeah, me too. Me too, man. Thought I still close below. It has broken the high, but I'm not too ass. If we come down here, I'm still taking sells. And it has closed below all of this crap. So I still think sells are gonna be good. But if not, then I won't take any trades. Wow, he never puts break even. He loses trades sometimes 5 pips away from TP. Oh, what the fuck? How does he have any people like he must have just a lot of yes people around him. Because fuck me, if I did that in this group, you guys would be like, Max, what the fuck are you doing? Imagine if you had a 20 pips TP and we were up like 18, 19 pips, and then I leave and go, no, I'm holding the whole figure, and then you lose the trade. I'd get fucking roasted.
You'd be afraid to come online.
Fucking spit roasted.
Clearly they don't know how to trade, they're just copying for his lifestyle like Lambos.
Yeah, it's true now. Set and forget. Just people trying to say they trade like the banks. Ah, yeah. They trade like the banks. This will become Raja stream one day. There will be a lot of more dumb questions on the gulag. This is quite scary to think of. Yeah. Easy to have a yes man when you show all your followers you have a Lambo. But I don't know why. I would love. Ted already asked this, but I'd love to see Daniel's Daniel's financial position. So like, if he died tomorrow, would he have the bailiffs at his door taking all his cars back because he didn't pay his monthly things, or would he have houses that he can sell to his family? Like, you know what I mean? Like that kind of. Does he have any wealth, or is he rich? It's kind of interesting. 50 minutes made a bottom wick. It's got 5 minutes left. But as I say, I don't know. I just don't trust these. And then even if I was taking buys here, the zone's just ass. Hi, I really appreciate a lot this streaming. This might sound dumb, but what is actually the use of knowing exactly where the 4-hour daily flip is? Thank you a lot. Well, just so I can see in the lower time frames what the higher time frames are doing, so I don't have to keep on flipping. Like I don't have to keep on looking. So right now I know that the daily candle on GJ is bullish, just bullish. We've just flipped bullish. It keeps on flipping in and out of bullish and bearish. The 4 hours bullish. So right now taking sells would be kind of stupid because I don't have the time frames with me. But when price starts to continue, you know, down in these areas, now I know that the higher time frames are flipping and we could be continuing bearish. So yeah. Buy again if gold closed above. Maybe. It's just this. Why does that have to be there? If that wasn't there, I'd be more entitled to take it. 4 minutes left for the 30-minute. We'll see. Hi, I'm new to this channel and streaming. Which trading system do you use and which time frame do you use? It's just price action, support and resistance, and I use all time frames. Every single time frame. Every single time frame. There's no point using just one when you can use all of them. I always say it, you know, if you're painting a picture, which is what we're trying to do over here. If you're trying to paint a picture of what's trying to happen, of where price is going to go. 1 second. Right. Yeah. So if you're trying to paint a picture of where price is going to go, why would you only use one paintbrush when you can use, you know, 5 of them, 6 of them, to make the painting a little bit clearer, a little bit better? So for me, I always use all of the time frames: 4 hour, daily, hourly, 30-minute, 50-minute, 5-minute, to get, you know, a better, you know, insight and transparency to what the picture, what the story is trying to tell of the higher time frames, where price is eventually going to end up. So yeah, wonder if Daniel Savage had hit TP1 yet? No, he has not.
One of these motherfuckers, I don't give a shit, dude.
Oh, I got messaged by, I know, FX Live Capital to collab. I was like, like, oh shit. Oh yeah, I seen Dr. Dollar's done a PAM account. That'll be interesting. See how that goes, because if it works well, I don't see why I couldn't do it. So he just has
Roger doesn't manage his spam account.
You what?
Roger didn't manage his spam account in the beginning.
Yeah,
he got too no, he got too nervous. You got people following his direct trades.
Yeah. It's funny that, isn't it? But like you think, well, he already does that really anyway on YouTube. It's not like direct, but it's pretty close. But
yeah, but imagine all the people that would be messaging you on Instagram and stuff, being like, blah blah blah, this, and why are you taking this trade and stuff, because they've like got a actual interest in their money being behind it. I don't know. I think it would be hard.
That's what because people are asking me, they go, I was like, oh, but like, because like sometimes, you know, I'll take a trade here and someone won't be comfortable with taking it on the mentorship, and they'll just leave it, and it's like, great, you know, you have that option, whereas there you won't. You know. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait above here. Buys above 1870 maybe. Look at this GJ. I told you this ain't a fucking buy. It's still bearish as shit. Flip that 4 hour, boy. Flip that 4 hour. I understand, but some people do, for example, day trading. Yeah, so my trades last on average probably 15-30 minutes. Nah, not even that. 10-15 minutes average. But I use the higher time frames to show direction and execute on the lower time frames. How long have you been profitable? Since like 19, so like 2 years. That looks a lot cleaner than mine session.
so much confidence. I probably should take it out, but
It's nice, but it's just a low wick. If it just
it was more the build up as well. Like you can see, we had the Asian low. Pre-London, we sweeped it. Right, we're coming up to resistance again with that bullish candle. The one that broke out, broke previous low, held support, broke above. That's quite a lot of confidence there for it to continue going up, especially with the Asian low being and the level as well as 1861 500 exactly. So.
For sure. Oh, Connor got a nice buy on gold. Yeah, he took that shit. Okay, so yeah, 50 minutes closed up bearish, very, very strong. But still in this area. The 30-minute, I mean, if you want to be aggressive for breaks, the 30-minute low is nice. I don't know where you'd put your stops, but I'm just going to wait a little bit further down. But that's all I've been waiting this morning, because the other pairs are okay. I mean, gold has pushed up nicely, but that was kind of a low wick. And also to the left-hand side, look, there's resistance right there. So, I don't know. Looks like it worked out nicely, but for me, I don't think I really liked it. I don't think I liked it too much. They don't know trades by Sky. No. 106 likes, amazing work, guys. Make sure you like the stream. There's 344 people in here. Just click that like button, helps us all out. I just saw this poor guy HTG lost 2 trades today. Oh, HTG, I know HTG, yeah.
I haven't watched him for a long time.
Yeah, well, he's just so inconsistent with his streams.
Yeah.
We were talking about that before, weren't we? You go,
Yeah.
oh, my computer isn't working again. It's like, no, you just can't get up. I think that's the one thing if you're streaming, you can't like fuck about. Like every so often I will, like, 'cause I'm absolutely fucking still pissed from a night out, and like I have to, like, to be fair, even that, I think I've been pissed quite a lot of times on here. I'd say like once every month. But
If you have consistency.
yeah, exactly, man.
That's the thing.
If you're not consistent with it, oof. Let's take a look at this. Oh. What trades did he take? I wonder.
Right, I'm in a bit of a tricky one because I've actually got me breakfast ready. So what am I gonna do?
Got my breakfast ready.
Dice. Bit of scrambled egg.
Scrambled egg.
Imagine me just saying that, guys. Like, I want to enter this trade, but my fucking breakfast is cooking, so you gotta hold up. Like, imagine. They'd be like, what the fuck is this guy doing? Well, it just ran, didn't it? That's the one that Champion Pips got hit on as well. But to be honest with you, it wasn't even that bad. It was kind of a nice 15. It wasn't too bad, so. Wasn't even that bad of a trade, to be honest. It just didn't work out. What is your win rate? Let's take a look. 100% this month. 78. 78%. I swear, man, Daniel's so lucky. That's just in a range, man. I mean, it looks like it may work. If it breaks that high, then sure thing. London isn't looking good. Yeah, I don't like it at all, to be honest with you. Yeah, I really don't like it. 15 minutes closed below the current support. Top wick to then drive down. But as I say, this zone for me is just not clean, right?
Have you seen the message that the bot sends on Daniel Savage stream?
No, what is it?
Remember, guys, all donations go to Daniel Savage. Bad habits like strippers, cigarettes, electronic cigarettes, Starbucks, and OnlyFans subscriptions.
that's so funny. So you've been training for 4 years, right? Yeah, pretty much 4 or 5 years. Oh yeah. 4 or 5 years. So yeah, looking like there's nothing much yet. Let's take a look at this hourly. 25 minutes left. We'll see. Where do you get your Excel spreadsheet? Right, I need to find this country, this fucking Don's link. Is it, I don't think it's on his Instagram. It's on his stream. Let me just go and try and find this for people. I'll do it on this side. 1 sec. So yeah, I mean, let's take a look later on then for NY. Is there 1 o'clock? So we've got that ADP, which is just gonna make things go wild. So yeah, I mean, my probability is that you know, gold and, you know, NAS and stuff are gonna move with this. Then it's probably gonna range until this. So I have a feeling NY for gold and that may not be the best, but we'll see. Let me just find this thing for people. Okay. One second, I'm just trying to find this thing for you guys. If you just put it in, for fuck's sake. Nah, I can't find it. I have no idea. I found it. He puts it on a link on his stream, but yeah, I can't find it. Bro, please explain the wick importance. It depends what time frame, but on the higher time frame, wicks are important because you can see over here on the 4-hour and the daily time frames, they always make top wicks and bottom wicks pretty much. If you count all the candles that have top wicks and bottom wicks, it's a very high percentage. Okay, there's one there that doesn't, 1 or 2 there that doesn't. Wow, it's kind of a big thing, but the rest are all have tops and bottom wicks. So when a candle doesn't have a top wick yet, the probability that it makes one's pretty high, right? It's like 85%. So you've got to be cautious with it. So there we go. I mean, ooh, can we get into GJ buys above? It's just the zone is just shit. Because the next resistance would be here. Next resistance after that would be here. You see, it's just not nice. It's not too nice. Max just reached school. I'll see you tomorrow live stream. See you later, my man. So breaking the high of the previous 15. Now we should continue bullish over here. 30-minute break in the highs soon as well. Should finally continue. It took us time though. Jesus Christ. Filling that 30-minute wick up. So yeah. That has no top wick is the reason I missed gold at London Open. No, but that's different, man. This is closed. That candle's closed. That candle's over now. So it doesn't matter. It's if it's on it. Okay, so the next one opens. Now forget about that candle now. So that there shouldn't. The only reason why that affects you is because sometimes when you backtest, you see that it does struggle. It breaks the highs and then it struggles. So that's the reason why it's a bit cautious. But that candle's closed, so it doesn't matter.
Hey, Maxi boy.
Hello, hello.
Did that hourly support there? I'll draw it. Did this is that there? It closed just, but like it's
yeah,
like
exactly.
there somewhere.
That's why I didn't really like it. Right?
Like that's what turned me off.
Yeah, me too. Yeah, I didn't like it on the 30. It was a very strong candle. It was very impulsive, but it was 8 o'clock. Then great, but yeah, for me, and it wasn't like there was a big lower wick. There's a big lower wick down here, and then flips, and why not? Because it's rejecting, but it didn't. So there's no way I could have got that really.
Yeah, I just didn't like it was right into support.
Yeah. Let's take a look at this 4 hour now. I'm really thinking about these GJ buys, but it's just the zones. The zones are pretty shitty. What's your tip for beginners? Realizing that you'll lose all your money pretty much instantly, and be happy with that. Learn the first thing you need to learn is the emotion side, because you go, oh well, this looks easy, and then you'll lose a lot of money, and then you'll go, oh actually this is kind of hard. You know, I just lost some money over here. That's what you need to go through first, and stick to looking at the chart for like 2 hours max, 2-3 hours. If it's anything more than that, then you can have a rather bad time. What are you drinking? I'm drinking Vimto. Vimto's banging. Yeah. So how could I have really got into these buys? Yeah, I really couldn't have. There's no way. I mean, the 30-minute flip there, but it was still bearish, man. But looking good now, looking like it's pushing all the way above the 4 hour highs, which is good. Very, very strong candle. TP1 for the Savage, yeah, it will be now 720 nearly, pretty much. Very nice. Balls of steel, I hold that bitch on. Thing is though, because the stops are so big, you have to hold on for so long. Whereas if I just get a 10 pip trade, then jeez. So yeah, what I can kind of see here is this resistance here. So a little bit above there, and I think we could be okay. Oh, the 15 looks like a little bit higher in the 15. This is the issue when there's so many zones. It's just like, bro. Do you trade and stream London and NY sessions or only London? Only London on YouTube. NY is with a private group with over 116 members. 116 members in the group. So if you guys do want to join that, you also get webinars, simulations, all of the webinars I've ever done. The simulation sessions, we're doing one at 10 o'clock today. We do about two. We do 2 of them every single week, an hour long each. Guess you're used to the back testing, how we really back test a pair, and webinars every single week on how we trade. So yeah. Gold opinion, bullish. Looking like it may want to continue still. The 4 hour time frame's broken past this. It's at this resistance right now, so a nice 4 hour closure back there would be nice for later on. But we'll have to see. We'll have to see. You only trade gold and GJ? No, I trade AJ as well. AJ. Yeah, it's a new pair that we introduced because it works pretty nice. It works pretty nice. Do you consider US30? Nope. We are learning NAS with Brian right now. But no, not US30. So yeah, we'll take a look. 50 minutes closing, but it isn't closing above, which is okay. Probably wait for this hourly to close then. maybe if it doesn't close above, then that's fine, because if you can see over here as well, I mean, there's a big support over here in the hourly there. It's just a bit of a crappy zone, so if there's nothing that's, you know, sticking out for me, I ain't gonna take it. Yeah, wait till the area gets broken. How many pips you make a month? Let's take a look. 270. But remember, always think about what do pips really mean. Pips are a measurement of currencies. They can be manipulated pretty easily. These are.
I hate it when people are like, "Oh, I made 3,000 pips this month," and it's like, okay, but, or whatever it was, but it's like, okay, but what were you risking to get that? It's like it's all relative.
Well, yeah, and then they just put the currency wrong. So they'll go here and they'll go, okay, so you know, then I took a German 30. Let's just do German 30 for example, because it's the one that does it. So German 30, we took a SPY. It was a, you know, breakout. I got in on the flip, 30-minute time frame. I closed 80% at 300 pips. And then the rest at, 500. Okay, so I took a 500. So now I've got 769. Not realizing that the stop loss was 300 pips anyway. So all you did was make 10 pips percentage-wise. It's about the percentage. So don't look at the pips, please, for the love of Jesus. Okay. If this person on this trade risked 300 pips to gain 300 pips and risked 1%, they've made 1%. Okay. Just like if I take a 10 pip trade here and I make 10 pips, I've also made 1%. The pips are useless. Pips are invalid. It's this percentage. Always look at the percentage. Because someone could just, easily just say, oh yeah, look at gold, like look, oh look, we got into a gold buy over here, we just got 471 pips. It's like, no, you didn't. You got 47 pips.
I used to say it as well, when you use the pip counts on Nasdaq, it's like, oh yeah, cool, 2,186 pip trade. Yeah. And then you just use the first number, it's like 210 pips.
Yeah,
it's a good trade, but
yeah.
It's just the wording, right? It's just the decimal place. It looks good.
Yeah, and then like some people be like, if you put in £100 in this account in this month, you've made 2 grand. It's like, no, you haven't. Yeah, exactly. It's a measurement unit, so So if you see anything on, but I just don't get this. How can't people know this? Like when I see adverts on Instagram of this fucking geezer, just this guy going, we've made 3,000 points or 3,000 pips this month, and I just know it's fake. I can just tell, but people clearly get intrigued with it. Like, oh my god, Stop Loss Mars only made 269. What a fucking noob. This guy made 2,000. This guy's a G. The percentage gain. Do you have a pip counter? Yeah, Magic Keys has it with us.
Guy, so
what?
I'm playing online poker and I just fucking folded
Uh-huh.
because they called $1 million straight out the hatch, and I had an ace and a 2, and guess what? The first 3 cards
Mark's
came out.
unmuted, you fuck boy.
Oh fuck! Sorry,
I was
fucking pulled out. It come out. Ace 2, 3, 4, 5. Absolute prick. Sorry, boys. Always forget the video.
I fucking love that.
Once a day.
Dirty dogs.
What poker you playing? What platform?
He's got
again.
Yeah.
He's got again.
Brilliant.
He's got a Discord. What about Binary Destroyer? Oh my god, Jesus Christ. These fucking, I already know these names are just retarded. Binary Destroyer, is it on Instagram? Or let's take a look over here. Binary destroyer. Wow.
Yeah, but he's probably trading those synthetic indices, so you don't know what moves it. And like the pairs names are very weird. It's like volatility index 75, 50, 25, and then there's other ones. It's called crash, boom, and bang. I mean, who trades things with crash, boom, and bang by the name?
31% growth in one trade. That looks to me dodgy, right? Oh, and he trades. Wait.
MX, you not gold 15, waiting for 30 minutes?
Yeah. Waiting for 30. And even that, to be honest with you, I don't know. Yeah, I'm waiting for the hourly to close. Waiting for the hourly to close. Max, can you look at GJ in the 5-minute time frame, please? Yes, there you go. So it's holding this little bit of resistance there at 770. Do you think Controller is making less than 1% as most of his runners don't run after 10 pips come back to break even? Depends how much he risks per trade. I don't know. But it's sure working out, so. Yeah, also guys, make sure to follow the Instagram if you haven't already, because I want to hit that fucking 10k now. I'm sick of having these scamming accounts having more followers than me. It's pissing me off. What are we looking for in GJ? Nothing right now. I'm looking for potentially a buy above 770. 162, 770, but you know, I'm not really that intrigued about it, to be honest. We'll see. We'll see, we'll see. Wow, 331 people over here. Amazing. Are the scamming accounts, are they still scamming? Let's just take a look. Are they still there? Are they still messaging people? Anyone get messaged by a stop loss matters recently? I know
It's been a while.
He seems to have stopped, yeah. That was the 12th of April. Yeah, he stopped there.
Maybe because so many of us started complaining and just complaining on Instagram that they just reporting them actually.
Some of my friends from home follow the other account. Oh my fucking god. Jesus Christ. If your runner stays in, oh yeah. That could be good, my man. Has there been research on what kind of profit taking strategy is the most consistent plus profitable? I see some people take 50% at 10 pips, some 90, and different variations. I really don't think it's the what's the most profitable. It's just down to your emotions. So for example, you can see that Raja and Ted sometimes just hold that thing on full lot in some cases where they've got a good entry, and that's when they get their massive trades, massive percentage gains. Some people can't do that, hold it on that much. Some people, if the zone is big enough, they'll hold it on a little longer, which is what I would probably do. If it's a small zone at 10 pips, I'm going to close 80%. It all depends on I think people forget about clean traffic. Dirty zone, take your money. Bigger zone, hold. Yeah, for sure. Raja is crazy at riding wins and cutting losses. I wish I could see his riding wings on a live stream, because I've never seen them before. His fucking 100 pip nuts, never seen on stream. I would love to see it. It seems to always happen in like Asian or like the start of London, like just before London. It's like, bro, why are you looking at this time? Like, do you look all day? True, I want to see his big wins stream too.
For himself.
Yeah. Let's take a look, Stefan. Closest retest stop loss on a wick that retested and top wick on the top wicks. For buys above here, yeah, I think so. Retest at like 1870, yeah.
No, sorry, buy is above that full line, not dashed one.
Oh, this one.
No, down below that current 30.
Oh, here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. I think that's pretty reasonable. I wish it was a little bit less choppy. This is the hourlies. Take a look what it looks like on the 15. It's just this. Look at this shit. But yeah, I think that 30 could be good for sure. Do you think it is not real? No, I have absolutely no doubt Raja is completely 100% real. It's just I would love to see his big trade. That's all. He has nothing. He's been, I knew it when he started. I could tell instantly he was, a decent kind of dude. He's not. You can tell pretty quickly. Oh yeah, of course it's real. Exactly, 100% real. I have no doubt on that. It's just I want to be able to. I want to see his emotions when he holds them on. Because for me, like, I've only seen him close. I mean, a maximum 40 pips on a gold trade. Like, never 140. Like, is it because he's off stream and he kind of just leaves it and just hopes and goes, oh well, it might happen, and just leave it? That's what I assume. I love Raj's humor. Yeah, me too. He's got good humor, doesn't he? Did Raj get in? I don't think he would have got in there. I think it's a bit. So yeah, we'll see. Let's take a look then. This hourly is closing. 3 minutes left. I'm not gonna lie though, I'm not fully confident with this area on GJ. If you take a look to the left here, do I want to be buying into this? I mean, let's take a look on the lower time frames before we justify it. Let's take a look. It's just, where's your targets? That's the issue. Do you agree, guys? It's just a bit like, I mean, it could always push, all the way up to 163, which would be nice. Yeah, me too, Connor. I think it's just not right. I think if this wasn't there, and that wasn't there, and it was just this and this, then I think I'd be more inclined, to take it. It looks a bit messy, right? Yeah. 140 likes, amazing stuff. In terms of how long, I guess that depends on the type of trader you are. Swing scalper, everyone has different entries and exit styles. Don't know what Max thinks about that. Wait, what's this about? What's this about? We compare the same amount of time, such as a month, and compare the pips. No, but the pips is... I'm not going to go through it again, I've already rambled about it, but the pips aren't important.
Now, you see, that comes down to people not trading the percentage. So I sometimes trade like percentage, sometimes I over leverage my position, right?
Yeah.
So they're going to put themselves to a pip goal a week or a day. And then they're going to do the math on the money of the percentage. So they're putting themselves on like also a bit of pressure to get the pip goal a day or a week.
Yeah.
Because they're pre-doing their math of what they could earn this week, but it doesn't work that way. You know what I mean?
Yeah. No, but he's saying he literally uses people's pip counts to compare people.
Yeah, fair enough.
Yeah, I mean,
it's bad for people to learn that way because they're going to give themselves that goal. You know what I mean?
Yeah. For sure, for sure. I mean, it's a nice strong hourly closure and it's above the support, so I don't see why not you can, but for me, I think I'm just going to leave it for this. The zone is not nice for me, I don't think. The thing about controller is he keeps his record in pips, it's percentage gain. Yeah, to be honest with you, I should change mine. I should change mine here. Put an extra column here and do percentage gain. That'd be quite good for people to actually see. Tell me London usually means NY is nice. Yeah. Who's gonna risk it for a chocolate biscuit? How much? 10 pips in the previous 15. Who's gonna risk it? Who's gonna risk it? It's a nice low wick now. It's a nice 30-minute closure. Yeah, that's true. Yeah. It's just the zone is a bit shit. The only reason why I like is that this hourly's closed above this hourly support here. And also this candle right now has made the lower wick. If you got in on the lower wick right now with stop loss there, 8 pips stop. Break that 50-minute low so I don't have to worry about these buys. If it breaks this low, that ain't looking too good. How is trading in Asia? Don seems to get good trades in Asian. Yeah, he does, doesn't he? I have no idea. You know, it's a time where I'm literally not thinking about the charts at all, so I don't have a clue. But people in different time zones here probably could tell you a bit more. How's Asian? It looks like it's all right now. I just know when I was younger, sometimes I'd wake up in London and go, "Wow, that Asian session was garbage." So the first level it kind of rejects off would be, I mean, there, 829. So if you got in on the flip right now, it would be a 9 pip stop. What do you think, Brian?
I've got my zone a little higher.
Yeah.
So I've got mine at 162.821.
Yeah.
You see it's a bit higher.
Yeah.
Well, it's kind of there. Yeah. So to the left, you see that structure. You've got the support multiple times, the resistance. So I want a higher closure for me to my side.
Yeah.
Because now we're closing under it. You see.
Yeah. I get you. I think it's hard when we all don't have the same charts. You know that price isn't in the nicest area.
Yeah, exactly.
But I tell you what, I mean, if you want to be risking it, then go for it. I just want it to break that 50 and then I can chill. Yeah, exactly. Is Brian doing the NAS 100 sessions on Zoom with members only? Yes. So normally, like, we start at 2 o'clock every day, go through NAS together, learning a new pair. Yeah, do that pretty much every day. So yeah, I mean, it's definitely worth it, the mentorship, if you want to get in. We've got loads of things going on every single day. The amount of content, you know. 10 live streams every week. So obviously 5 on YouTube here, 5 on NY, 2 simulation sessions, both an hour long, a webinar and homework. It's introduced every 2 weeks, and then drop-in sessions every 2 weeks as well. So pretty much everything you'd need, and also signals. Like, which if you've got like a big enough account, as long as you don't have like a £50 account, the signals are going to pay for your mentorship anyway. So I don't see why you wouldn't do it. Exactly. Naz was a choppy mess yesterday. Yeah, it was. It was. But identifying that is all a part of the game, you know. Max, you don't consider that the 4 hour is on a clear bearish structure, creating lower highs and low lows. Is this goal GJ? Not right now. We've broken the previous highs and we're coming back into the zone. But yeah, it is a crappy zone. This is why I'm not liking it too much. So coming down over here, looking like we may be passing the previous 15 lows. So there we go. So past the 15 lows, very, very nice. Wow, looking like a lot of volume is coming in there. Very nice. So yeah, that'll be it, I think. Let's take a look then at AJ. Yeah, crappy. And gold didn't really close above for me in this little area. So yeah, I think I may leave it for today. No trades taken, but you know, do you think I really care about that? Nope, I don't give a shit. If there's any setups, I'll take them. If there's not, I won't take them, you know. So later on, I'm gonna have an alert set at 162.310 because I do not want to miss this. So can I do that right now? 1 second. Oh shit. Where the fuck was it? One second. I'll do 370. Oh, fuck off. That's the only reason why I'd buy the fucking thing. Okay. Well, I'll get it sorted. So that's what I'm gonna look for later on. AJ, I mean, I don't really know. Look at the zone. You know, but you got to think of why we're ranging. Why, you know, is price action being a little bit hard today? Well, because look at the news. Look how much news you've got today. God dang. Gotta be careful, okay? You know, why would price want to move, you know, a shitload before news coming out, which is very, very important at 1:15 and 7 o'clock? They wouldn't. So, you know, take a chill pill, relax, come back for NY, see if there's any moves. If not, then, you know, we'll be chill. Do you trade NY later, Max? Yeah, my man. We'll trade it at 12 o'clock. So simulation session is going to start at 10 o'clock, people in the Zoom. So I'll see you guys then. But yeah, I'm going to leave it off over here. Thank you guys very much, and I'll see you guys later, man. Peace out. See you later, alligator.
Thank you, Max.
See you later, alligator. Peace out. Oh my god. Peace out. Why can't I get rid of this? There we go. See you later, YouTube. Thank you so much for coming on. I'll see you guys later. See you tomorrow, man. Adios, amigos.